Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to go back in time on Google Maps. So on the maps, like strictly here, we can't go back. It's because we don't really have any possibility to do so, but we can go back in Google Street View. So at first we have to zoom in to place of the interest. For example, I don't know, here, and we have to drop in. Now we have to tap on this image, enter the full screen mode, and as you can see, here we have to tap see more dates. Here we have June 2024, 2022, 2021, and here we have October 2011. This is the place then, and this is the place now. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.